Hello, welcome to Mom's Heart, where we're making picante sauce today. And I'm wearing gloves because we're handling jalapeno peppers. Now, frequently I handle jalapeno peppers without gloves, but I'm very careful to get the seeds out. Those are the things that burn your hands. And today we're leaving the seeds in, so we want to be careful to dice up the peppers and keep our hands gloved. Making your own picante sauce is really easy, and that's good news because that means you don't need a lot of additives that are put in when they manufacture different food products. So we're going to use canned tomatoes. I like to use crushed tomatoes. We're going to coarsely chop onion, chop these jalapeno peppers, put them into a pot with water, some vinegar, and we're going to be cooking now. And after several hours, we're gonna have a great picante sauce. We'll add some salt, we're gonna add some cilantro. We are going to be left with a great picante sauce, and I hope you will give this a try and that your family likes it as much as ours does.